Let us see how to grow water lily in terrace garden. There are three types of clay soil in which lotus and water lily will grow. The first type is pond clay soil. The second type is black cotton soil. The third type is the soil which we can sieve and use. And the soil that we can sieve includes the garden soil, vermicompost, and any healthy soil. This is a sprouted water lily tuber that I received from a seller. Now we will plant this. This is a 10-inch pot and I have filled it with very good quality sieved top clay soil. Plant it in such a way that the tuber is not completely buried. The tuber sits on the top of the soil. The roots that have sprouted are buried a little bit and the sprouted leaves are above the soil. Now we will place this full pot in a bucket filled with water. This is called pot in pot method. Pot in pot method is ideal because it is very easy to clean the tub every once in a while. And there will be more space for fishes to move around. The third point is, even in hot summer months, the root will remain cool even if the surface of water is hot. Within 2 weeks' time, more leaves started to appear underwater. In 2 months' time, these leaves got very big and has grown out very well. First bud appeared in 2.5 months from planting the tuber.